Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by measuring ingredients. 2 cups whole milk, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. If you use eggs, separate 2 egg yolks now. Place the cornstarch, sugar, and salt in a bowl and whisk until even. Add a few tablespoons of the milk to the dry mix and whisk into a smooth slurry. Slowly whisk in the remaining milk to avoid lumps and keep the mixture ready for the stove. Pour the prepared milk mixture into a saucepan and set over medium heat. Stir constantly with a whisk or heat-proof spatula to prevent sticking. The cornstarch activates, and the mixture should begin to thicken in about 3 to 5 minutes. If you prepared 2 egg yolks, temper them by whisking 3 to 4 hot spoonfuls of the warm mixture into the yolks, then slowly whisk the yolk blend back into the pan. When the pudding is thick and glossy, remove from heat and stir in 2 tablespoons butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla. To finish, pour the hot pudding into individual ramekins or a shallow dish. For no skin, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface while it cools. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to set. Chilling improves texture and flavor. When ready to serve, garnish with whipped cream, fresh berries, or chocolate shavings. Cover leftovers tightly and refrigerate up to 3 days. If you want warm pudding later, reheat gently over low heat with a splash of milk and whisk until smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.